Biomolecules, the life molecules of life. Learning objectives. Define biomolecules. Identify 4 major classes. Compare functions. What are biomolecules? Organic molecules essential for life. Elements. C, H, O, N, P, S. Carbohydrates. Energy source. Monosaccharides, disaccharides, polysaccharides. Proteins. Built from amino acids. Enzymes. Structure. Transport. Lipids. Fats. Oils. Phospholipids. Steroids. Energy storage. Membranes. Nucleic acids. DNA and RNA. Store genetic information. Comparison. Carbs. Sugars. Proteins. Amino acids. Lipids. Fatty acids. Nucleic acids. Nucleotides. Food sources. Bread. Rice. Eggs. Beans. Nuts. Oils. All living foods contain nucleic acids. Everyday applications. Nutrition. Medicine. Biotechnology. Quiz. Main energy biomolecule. Building block of proteins. Fun facts. DNA in nearly every cell. Thousands of enzymes. Summary. 4 biomolecule groups support life. Practice. Explain one function of each biomolecule. Thank you. Any questions? Make sure to ask a question in the comments section.